Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another video of my web development series. In my past lectures, I have shown you how to make a form for your website and how to add elements to your website. And in this lecture, I will also discuss about some other elements of forms of HTML. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started today's video. Okay, so I'll be editing this file today. I'll be not creating a new file all over again. So let me write something here. So first name, how to add first name. I have shown you this. First name. Okay, beer, bake, and can also write last name here. Then I have shown you how to do this, so I will not discuss this here. So this is how we can add our so this is a complete form. We can say that this is a complete form. So this is our complete form. So what other functionality can we use here? So suppose when we fill up this form and check this and yeah, teaching, and when we press the submit, the form is submitted but the user don't know is it submitted or not. So we need some kind of alert here. So how do we add alert here? We can simply do remove this one input form here, and we can add a button. So we can add a button here, and we can give this button called submit. Okay, submit, and for the type I'll give it button type, and for the message, so when someone click this, so it will be on click. So when someone click that button, the button will give us a alert. So alert, alert, and it will give us that thank you, thank you. So this will give us, so and we need to define that inside of our single quotation, inside of a single quotation. Okay, so this is how we can define alert for our user. Now if we submit this, we can see that a pop-up here saying thank you. So we can add this thank you for submitting. Thank you for submitting. Now if we submit this, we can see thank you for submitting here. So this is how we can add a alert box to our. So what we can do, we can also write here maybe a password. So what is your password? Password, yes, password. And for our password we will write input field here, but here is the thing, we cannot say the type will be text. Password can be anything, but we cannot give the type of our password text. So what we need to write for our password, the type will be password. So for our password input, the type will also be password. Okay, now we have to, so I will show you why we need the type password, because now say suppose I have my password and we can see only dots here. If we wrote here that text area, we could have seen the password, what is the user is typing, but now only user knows what he is typing. So for our password field, we just only need to give the type password, and for other purpose we can use any type we want. So no, never. So this is for our today's video.